Let's do a full face makeup using local product versus viral TikTok product. Let's go. Untuk cushion foundation brand local, I akan pakai Obsessed in Coat Ginger. Very soft and light coverage, tak rasa heavy. And this is the perfect match, to be honest. Another side, I'm gonna use Tear Aura Dewy Finishing in Coat 29 Neutral Beige. Yang ni pun perfect match ya girl. Slightly darker dengan shades yang Obsessed dekat sebelah. Untuk kening, I pakai Facey Oh My Brow. It's a local brand. Macam biasa, I love this eyebrow so much. And I would suggest you guys to try Facey Pomade Eyebrow as well. On the other side, I pakai O2O Eyebrow in Code 02. And to be honest, this is my first time trying their eyebrow. Not bad, sangat natural looking, and it's easy to stroke as well. Untuk blusher, I pakai LMK in Code Wing. Warna dia actually orangey dekat tangan, tapi bila I tap dekat muka, dia macam jadi soft pink. Overall, dia punya texture nice, tak ada bau pelik. On the other side, I pakai Barzambli's Moist Mochi in Code 02 Peachy Peach. And both pretty shades, okay? Untuk contour hidung, I pakai Sally Eyeshadow Palette, Brown Sugar mixed dengan Cocoa Bear. On the other side, I pakai Not a Box of Chocolate. It's a TikTok eyeshadow palette. I pernah review shadow ni. Loose powder, I pilih Sally untuk local brand. And I pilih Something untuk another side. Both are translucent. And for your information, kalau you guys tak tahu nak pilih shades apa, kadang-kadang colour kulit korang pun berubah. Colour translucent is the best choice. Sally punya translucent dia macam ada yellowish sikit. Something dia memang betul-betul translucent, which is no colour at all. Lastly, setting spray. I akan pakai setting spray by Facey. Ramai gila orang review Facey setting spray. And on the other side, I pakai Makeover setting spray. This brand quite famous, yeah. So this is the final end. What do you guys think? Kalau you guys tanya I, the most part yang I paling suka adalah area hidung. I love how my nose looks super structured and sangat cantik. So comment down below you guys nak tengok video apa lagi from my page.